Folks, it's official. I am now a biker. So from a walker to a runner, and now I'm a biker. So I'm here at Merin, trying out comfortably, safely in the countryside cycling. The truth of the matter is, I was supposed to join a group today to go cycling, and it was a 20-kilometer ride. But I said, I didn't have the chance to practice during the week. Actually, I just went for this is a rented bike from Geneva. So if you happen to be in Geneva and you're looking for literally free bikes to rent for the day or for a week, whatever, you can go to the Geneva main train station, Geneva, and just across Rue de Montbryon from the Gare, you have Genève, and then from there you can rent your bike. So this is what I did. I rented this bike. It's a mountain bike, so I can use it on the plain, gravel, but also, in the city. So like I was saying, I was supposed to join a group today to ride, do 20-kilometer bike ride, but honestly I hadn't practiced, and while I'm a runner and I think I do have the stamina, I think it's better if I practice a bit on my own before joining a group, because I might be trailing, and then holding up the whole group, and this is not what I wanted. So I called them up actually, and I told them, look, because I was slightly late, and I said to them, no, you go ahead, I'll join you the next time. So between now and the next trip, group trip, bike trip, I would have practiced on my own, going into the city, the countryside, and then that way I feel comfortable in traffic and, on two wheels. And then I'll join them for the next one. So between now and then, it's all on me. It's for me to practice cycling. So this is why I'm here today. I'm practicing cycling. So what I did was, from the Gare I took a tram, and then I rode up to the Bladonnet, and from Bladonnet I went on my bike. I cycled towards Merin, and I'm heading towards Sartigny, Dardeny, I don't know. We'll just explore, and then when I get tired, then I'll do a U-turn and I head towards Geneva, this time on a bike. And then I've rented it just for today, this bike. Afterwards I'll give you a shot of the bike, and then I've rented it for the day so I can have it until 7 p.m. today. So I'm just gonna go as far as I can. If I find a restaurant, I will stop and have a bite, because normally I was supposed to have lunch with the group, but since I was late and I had paid for my lunch, I didn't have lunch, so I'm getting hungry. I don't know whether I'll find a place to eat, but we'll see. But I got some bottles of water, and maybe I'll ride a bit further up. That way you see the scenery. It's really beautiful. And then, but I'll just quickly show you my bike, and then I'll ride further up, and then I'll take a scenery of the cows and the fields, and you see how beautiful my Geneva is. So I'm going to flip the camera now, and then you're going to see the bike that I've rented. It's a mountain bike, and then afterwards I will ride a few kilometers, I don't know, meters, 50 meters maybe, and then I'll show you the cows and the beautiful scenery that I happen to be in. So let's do this. I'll show you my bike, and then we continue on the trip. Is that okay? Okay, see you in a bit. Don't go away. Bye. So you see it's a Focus. Okay, so this is a bike that it's for a medium sized person and of medium height. And so let me give you some details. So this is my beauty. Voila, this focus. So for now, what I'm doing is I will just rent, and then I'll rent an electric bike, and then when I'm really comfortable and I'm sure I want to take this seriously, then I will look into purchasing. So like I said, this I got from Geneva. You can go to the Gare Conavant. I know in Merin they also have Merin Roule, Versoix they have, and in many parts of Geneva, the city, they have. So this is my focus, this is my country, my VTT, mountain bike. And so this is my companion for today. The seat I think could be improved, because already I'm gonna feel like it's not that comfortable, but yeah, but it gives me the feel of cycling. There's a shot of me and the bike. Okay, and do you see my environment? Do you see the backdrop? Yeah, this is where I am. Oops. Oh my god. There was a car coming. Merci. I was in the middle in my vlog and there was a car coming and I didn't know. But anyway, so here is my bike. You see, and I just pan across to give you an idea of my environment, So this is how I choose to spend my Saturday, 8th of May. See many bikers. I'll be joining them soon. So now I think it's enough talk, and I'll do a little more cycling and then I'll take another shot. So let's do this. Bye. So this is my view right now. There's some cows, but they're so far away. Do you see them? I zoomed in. So you see the cows? So this is my situation right now. So my companion and I we are taking a break because we have discovered a place called Terrain Jakob. For me it's a first, never been here before. So it says respect les infrastructures, le bruit de feu de grillade interdit en dehors de 3 grilles prévues à cette. Okay, so here you can have barbecues. You can prepare barbecues. Okay, so this is good to know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cross the barrier, cross over and explore what this Terrain Jakob is, and I'll find a spot to drink because I'm so thirsty. I'm hungry. I see I have a bar of chocolate, so that's good, in my bag, so that's good. But I will take a break, you know. But of course, as usual, I bring you along with me because this is the first, and like I said, I love to capture cover first. So yeah, and so voila, this is the first for me. So I'll bring you along with me to, this is Mera at Terrain Jakob. Yeah, so let's do this. I'll take some few shots while that, maybe inside.
Caputa avec le serpent. Je sais pas ce qu'il fait. Ah oui, Caputo.
Cute dog.
Je connais tout. Ouais, je connais, c'est trop bien. Mais je te dis, à la maison de quartier, non, à la bibliothèque Saint-Jean, il y a beaucoup de monde.
Today is such a very beautiful sunny day. Oops. Almost lost my chocolate. We're very lucky with the weather. It would have been beautiful to have joined the group, but like I said, I need to practice on my own and be comfortable riding in streets, and then I join the group. So I still have time to practice. I think I have discovered Terrain Jakob, and I will begin to make my way back to Geneva by bike. I'll see how that goes. If I feel comfortable, I'll go all the way down to Geneva to the train station, and if I can't, I just hop onto a bus or a tram because I took a day pass. So I will start to make my way back because it's becoming chilly. I feel the chill. So let's do this. Geneva, here we come. I need a nap, a real big nap. So let's do this. So it's official. But yes, it's official. biker. So I'll show you my bike. I'll flip the camera over, and while I do agree to blush, one thing I will disagree on is that the seat of my bicycle is not blush. Oh my god, it certainly wasn't made for people like me. So here's the seat. Don't seem to have enough battery left, so maybe I will sign off here, and if I can do another video I will, but I should be heading back now because I need a huge nap. So I tried running and I will still continue with it, but it didn't burn the belly fat. So I'm adding cycling to it because, yeah, with the pedaling, you do feel that your abs are working in your thighs and your butt and everything. So we see how that does it. And then I'll end this challenge at some point in the future with swimming. And then who knows, my next challenge could be a triathlon. Meaning running, swimming, cycling. Yeah, that's the challenge. So at least I've done the running. Half a marathon is something. I'm now dealing with looking at cycling. I should be able to do 50 kilometers, cleanly, comfortably, and then I'll attack the swimming. So, you know my challenge, you know what it is. I am ready and prepared to put myself through to get rid of this belly fat. But in the interim, I'm just enjoying life and making sure that whatever I do, I move, because that is life. Life is not static, it's dynamic. You've got to move, you've got to do, you've got to act. And things then happen, right? So on this note, I'm just gonna say bye, and if we happen to meet again, because I have still some battery life left, why not? If not, this will be the sign off. So until then, do take care. Bye. I missed the tram. I'll catch the next one because I cannot ride with this seat. Oh my god, certainly wasn't made for me. No. Next time I have to pay attention to the seat that I go for, because this is a killer. This is not made for my type of derrière. So now I'm waiting for the next tram. I'm at the Hôpital de la Tour tram stop, bus stop. I'm waiting for the next tram to take me straight to Geneva, where I return the bike. I collect my deposit, then I head home for a nap, a big nap. Oh la la, I feel the muscles and the abdominals. I want to tighten them. Oh la la, so I have arrived home in one piece whole. So I'll have a drink, I'll have something to eat, and then I'll have a nap because I really do need a nap. But it was a very, 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 very great expedition. So next time I will now rent an e-bike, and then I will do Geneva. I'll go to Geneva and the surroundings. I'll do about 30 kilometers. That way the next time I can join the group, and then I feel comfortable, riding at their pace and knowing that I can do 30 kilometers. It's a club of riders. Oops. And I want to be in that club because they have all these tours all over, not only in the canton of Geneva, but all over Switzerland. And it's a nice way of discovering the country in a group with people with similar passions, and just discover Switzerland on two wheels. So that is the challenge. Oof. So I'm gonna attack, have something to eat, have something to drink, and then I'll call it a day. Okay, see you, bye. It's ice cream, it's sorbet, strawberry sorbet. This is the Mochi house. So this is Japanese. It's the first time I try it, really. So let's see what it is, how it tastes like. Oh la la. So this is the mochi. It's heart shaped. So there is a sorbet inside.
Nothing.
You sound like Whitney. It's so soft and gooey. Oh la la. So this is the mochi. Please don't look at my nails. This is the way they are. So that was the mochi. I'll see whether I'll eat the last one. I'll give it away. Let's see the situation.